Hi, Mini Mathsco team here to introduce you to our Virtual Careers Week.
Did you know that almost every job uses your basic maths skills day to day? Check out this range of videos to see how maths is used in a variety of jobs from STEM to hair and beauty.
And remember, maths counts. Enjoy!
Hello, my name is Sophie Harvey and I've worked at City College for 10 years. I wanted to share with you how I incorporate maths into my daily work in life. As a team leader in our Stars Spa, maths is an important part of the day-to-day running of the spa. From taking clients' payments, to booking appointments, staff wages, the salon finances, and even down to timings are collectively how we run a smooth operation. Alongside being a team leader, I am also a tutor in hair and media makeup. The planning of a lesson requires various resources to help incorporate maths into the session seamlessly. Students are required to understand ratio when it comes to mixing colours and angles when cutting hair, even down to the timings of each assessment. Without maths, both learning and teaching would become impossible within our industry, and it's important to our success.